Deciphering the TOEFL score system. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into the TOEFL scoring system. If you've either taken the TOEFL or are preparing for it, understanding the score system is crucial. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer picture of how your efforts are assessed. Let's get started. The Test of English as a Foreign Language, or TOEFL, is a standardized test designed to measure the English language ability of non-native speakers who wish to enroll in English-speaking universities. The scores are used by institutions in English-speaking countries to evaluate the potential success of an applicant in a higher education setting. The TOEFL IBT, which stands for Internet-Based Test, scores range from 0 to 120. Let's break it down. Reading, 0 to 30. Listening, 0 to 30. Speaking, 0 to 30. Writing, 0 to 30. The total score is the sum of scores from these four sections. While the highest possible score on the TOEFL IBT is 120, what constitutes a good score largely depends on the institution or program you're applying to. Typically, 100 and above. This is often considered excellent and is accepted by most top universities. 80 to 100. This is considered good and is widely accepted by many institutions. 60 to 80. Some institutions might accept scores in this range, especially for conditional admission. Below 60. This is generally considered low, and it may be a good idea to retake the test or seek further language training. Remember, always check the specific score requirements of the institutions or programs you're interested in. If you're not satisfied with your score, don't fret. Here are some general tips. 1. Practice regularly. Familiarize yourself with the format of the test. 2. Expand your vocabulary. This helps in all sections, especially reading and writing. 3. Improve listening skills. Listen to podcasts, news, or lectures in English. 4. Engage in conversations. It helps improve both your speaking and listening skills. 5. Write daily. Even a short essay or diary entry can help hone your writing skills. That's a wrap on the TOEFL scoring system. We hope this overview helps you understand your score better and gives you insights on how to approach your TOEFL preparation. Remember, it's not just about the score, it's about your dedication to mastering a new language. Best of luck with your English learning journey.